Good morning, everyone. This is Srikanth Rajan, and welcome back to Stock Market Podcast from MPIinvest.com. Well, yesterday was the weekly expiry, and the markets, in fact, in the initial stage, looked like it was going bullish, but then from there, a continuous fall till the end of the day, and we could see the market going totally bearish. And this is the second day of total bearishness in the market, second day of big fall. Third day of big fall, and I would say this is not a great sign. But then, is it a correction or is it reversal? Well, that needs to be confirmed because this could be probably a correction also because see, majorly the what was driving the market was ITC, SBI. Both the results came out really good yesterday. In fact, better than expected. But still, they were correction. They were profit booking there. So this was probably more of a profit booking because all these days when the US markets were going up and global markets were kind of, all these, I mean, when global markets were kind of standstill, US Indian markets were rallying up. Now, the major reason is nothing but because FIs are continuously buying now. But then, if you look at these stocks like SBI or ITC, of late they've risen up so much that people definitely would think of some profit booking after results came. In fact, in spite of the results being good. So that could be the reason. But then how do we confirm this? So for this, the most important thing is the support where it is going to be seen. So 18,000 is a major support from where it could actually start reversing from there back to upward side or it can break down. But I don't see reasons why it should break down because things are looking good. But then looks like probably it could take a support somewhere close by and start moving upwards. So now that much awaited correction has already happened. In fact, if you remember a few podcasts back, I had actually told that I'm expecting a big fall. I don't know when. So that actually came. So that is kind of looks like it is kind of over now, and it can take support is very close. So probably it can take some support and start moving back up. So that is something that could be expected on the cards. But however, yesterday's volatility and fall can also be attributed to the results of SBI and ITC and also expiry day. Now, if you look at the US market after Indian markets closed, they have actually opened positive and actually closed in positive, a big positive I would say, because S&P 500 was up by almost 1% and Nasdaq was up more than 1.5%. So, things are looking really good. If you had invested in the Nasdaq 100 mutual fund or ETF that I'm sure many of us in MBA family has done, you would definitely be seeing some good profit there. So, in fact, if you look at the last few days, the way the Nasdaq ETF has been moving up is something amazing. So, that's something good. In fact, we also booked some partial profit in Indigo yesterday, and after that, we could see Indigo also falling. In fact, Indigo also came out with the record results. Their profit of more than 900 crores was something really good. So, overall, things are looking good in India, but and in fact, interestingly, yesterday also FIs are net buyers to tune of almost 800 plus crores, whereas our DIAs turned villains yesterday and booked profit for more than almost 800 crores. So it was more of the selling by DIAs, but it is okay. Like I said, since markets are moving up, it is a good opportunity for DIAs who have been invested for so long to be booking profit. So in fact, I was looking at my mutual fund portfolio. In fact, in spite of the market falling for the last 3 days, my mutual fund portfolio has not fallen that much. So that means probably the mutual funds have actually booked some profit and they're looking to buy some more. But then it's not going to be long that they start buying as well. But then FIAs also have been continuous buyers. Like I don't remember, I think 15 to 16 days, last 15, 16 days, FIAs have been continuous buyers. And that is something like it's not common seen, right? That they're buying for so big amount every day. So that is something again interesting and that shows the confidence that they have on Indian economy and market. And of course, we at MPA family have a lot of confidence on that, is it not? We are confident about Indian market. That's exactly why we are all invested. And over a long term, we are definitely going to see some good profits. So this is something that we have been doing. In fact, if you look at the portfolio right now, I'm sure all of us are sitting with some amazing portfolio in MPI Invest. And I'm sure in your mutual funds also, they are going to take shape. It is only for a few investors who had invested in mutual fund when the market was peak. If it was, SIP mode, it would have kind of recovered now. All lump sum investors, it may still take time to recover. But then it will recover, of course. So that is something that's how the market is. So let's see how things are going. So today is a Friday. After 3 days of fall, will the Nifty recover? In fact, because of the big closing, green closing in the US, Indian stock SGX Nifty is at first indicating a gap up opening. So today we might see a gap up opening again, but then how the market is going to sustain? If, will the fall be stopped, and will some buyers kick in? Is the big question mark. And today is Friday, so the week closing, how will the market close in positive or negative is a question. So let's see how the market turns today, and let us discuss more in detail on Sunday on the Market Pulse video, where we discuss about the week and the week ahead. So that's it for now. This is Srikanth Rajan signing off. But before we leave, wishing you all a happy weekend. And of course, do remember to subscribe to the channel if you have still not done that. And do press the like button if you love the content that we share. And if you have any questions, you can put it in the comments and we will be answering in the next podcast. So that's it for now. Goodbye. Have a great day.